Hello friends, it's time to announce November 2023's $2 knife giveaway winner at my YouTube channel, JohnKlahr. Now if you're new to the channel, I give away a knife package every month to one of my lucky subscribers. All you have to do is look for the monthly knife giveaway video, comment on the video, "I want this knife." Of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel, like the video, and share it to one of your friends, and you'll be entered into the knife giveaway. So keep an eye out for December's knife giveaway. Now, November's package was $2 knives. Now, this first one here is the Buck 110 folder. It came in this commemorative tin with the sheath will be in the bottom. Make sure you get the sheath out of there when you get it. Lucky winner. It's got the coin and this beautiful Buck 110 folder. I have a full review on this knife. Check it out. I wore it one day just for the review, carved a little bit of wood, and now that is going to one of my subscribers. And also be careful, the blade is very sharp, as you can see here. Okay. Alright, so that goes in the package. Remember, the sheath's underneath the black there, so you're going to get this tin with the 110 folding hunter in there, and you're also going to get the lightweight. I call it the lightweight. It's the Buck 110 LT, and you can either keep this one or give it to one of your friends. Okay, but you're going to get both these knives because you're the winner of the November Buck 2 knife giveaway. All right, so who is the winner? Right here we go. The November 2023 $2 knife giveaway winner at YouTube channel JohnKlahr is Just Digging Around. Here's his entry right here. This is you just digging around. You won both these knives. Congratulations. Now you got to send me an email right here to klahrbar@icloud.com. Give me an address so I can ship you out these knives. You're going to have them in the next week or so, okay? All right. For the rest of you, I'll have December's knife giveaway posted here shortly as soon as I pick one out. All right, should have it up in the next few days. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.